Welcome to this tutorial on creating augmented reality energy conservation apps. In today's session, we will explore how to develop an app that not only showcases the power of AR, but also educates users on energy conservation practices. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is set up our development environment. For this project, we will use Java and the AR Core SDK. If you're working on Android, you'll need Android Studio installed. Let's walk through the installation process. Open Android Studio and create a new project. Select Empty Activity and give it a name like AR Energy Conservation. Choose the language as Java and finish the setup. Next, we need to integrate AR Core into our project. Visit the AR Core developer site and download the AR Core SDK for Android. Place the SDK in the libs folder of your project. Now that we have the AR Core SDK integrated, we will modify our app's Gradle files to include necessary dependencies. Open your build.gradle file and add the following dependencies. This includes AR Core and Google Play services. In addition to the SDK, we also need to add some permissions and features in the Android manifest.xml for AR functionality. Make sure you include permissions for camera access. Let's now initialize AR in our app. We will create an AR fragment to manage the AR experience. Go to your main activity and set up your AR fragment. Now let's move to creating the AR feature that displays energy-saving suggestions in 3D space. For this, we will create markers that represent real-world objects that consume energy, such as light bulbs and appliances. To make AR objects interactive, we will implement touch listeners. When a user taps on the 3D object, we will display specific energy-saving tips. Creating a user interface is essential for enhancing user experience. We will create a simple UI that allows users to navigate through tips and recommendations. First, let's add a navigation bar at the top of the screen. Next, let's extend our functionality by incorporating a feature that tracks users' actions and progress towards energy conservation goals. This can be done by storing user data in a local SQLite database. The database will store actions when a user interacts with recommendations. We can add data every time a user taps on an AR object and confirm that they are implementing the suggestions. For an engaging experience, consider adding gamification elements. You can reward users with points for implementing energy-saving actions and displaying their scores on a leaderboard. To further enhance our app's appeal, it's important to create beautiful visuals. Make use of engaging 3D models and animations to make the app more attractive. You can find free models online or create your own. Finally, once you have everything set up, it's essential to test the app thoroughly. Make sure to test on real devices. Use AR Core supported phones to see how your features work in the live environment. While testing, take note of any bugs or improvements you'd like to implement to enhance the user experience. Make adjustments accordingly until you feel satisfied with the product. Publishing the app is our next big step. Once you are confident with your application, you can publish it to the Google Play Store. Make sure to create appealing descriptions and visuals. Thank you for joining me on this journey of creating an AR energy conservation app. I hope you found this tutorial informative and inspiring. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you next time.